That brings us to percentage. Cent is said to be a French word which means 100. Per is a word which means out of. So percentage means out of 100. Let's look at this activity, that what area is shaded in the following diagram. And this is a square box made up of 100 squares, and we have 40 of them being shaded. So this can be said to be 40 out of 100. B, still on 100 equal boxes, and they are arranged in terms of tens. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This can be said to be 52 out of 100. And this is said to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is said to be 50 out of 100. And this is 10, 20, 25. So this is said to be 25 divided by 100. Percentage is said to be a fraction whose denominator is said to be 100. So that definitely means that 40 over 100 is equal to 40%. And this is the symbol for percentage. While 52 over 100 is also said to be equal to 52%, and 50 over 100 is said to be 50%, while 25 over 100 is equal to 25%. So percentage is a fraction whose denominator is said to be 100. Let's do more activity. That we should write the following using the symbol percentage. So 20 over 100 is equal to 20%. Remember, just like I said, a percentage is said to be a fraction whose denominator is 100. B, 68 over 100 is equal to 68%, and 45 over 100 is said to be 45%. For D, 92 over 100 is said to be 92%, while 62 over 100 is said to be 62%. Just like I said, a percentage is a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Therefore, to express a number as a percentage of another, we write it as a fraction and then multiply by 100. Let's solve some exercises.